say bananas, you say peppers, and we usually do not film in the purple void here for this channel, but you guys, I am currently hiding from my filming room. If y'all watched probably the last video that went up on this channel, it was the Magical Michael's $5 grab bags, and I have not had time to film. No, well, I haven't had time to film yet either. That would also be correct, but I haven't had time yet to gather all of the items and take those gigantic boxes out of the filming room. So I'm gonna be doing a little filming today and a little cleaning today. Also, you guys, it looks like I did my ponytail in the dark. Maybe I did. Today is a very exciting video. I don't know why I did this. Why I shoved it in a washing machine. This is like a sequel to a video we did last year. The first time we unboxed them actually. Last time we got them, they came in little boxes. They were collectible keychains of miniature stationery items. So they were like super sophisticated mini brands, basically, made off of like real, it was like a tape dispenser and a clipboard, and I don't even remember what else was there. Also, you guys, can y'all tell? I got my teeth done yesterday, so they're all sparkly and fresh. I believe the brand was Kenelephant. I found them on a stationery website that I had never ordered from before. I really enjoyed them. But you guys know what I enjoy more is Amazon Japan. And I started looking for really cool gashpon that we could open together, / I started specifically looking for that Kenelephant, I think it's like Kenelephant 2000 is their Instagram handle, that brand. They make tons of tiny, super highly detailed miniatures. A lot of times they're in keychain form, which is my personal favorite. So I ordered these from Amazon Japan. I do believe that this is a complete set. I saw some like, I wouldn't say negative, but like less than stellar reviews for these things, just because I think usually they come in boxes. And I've ordered a lot of gashpon from Amazon Japan, and they come in balls, which I would honestly prefer, because you guys know we have that really cool gashpon, like an actual miniature gashpon dispensing machine, but none of these size balls fit in that machine. So wait, wouldn't it be crazy if I thought that that's what I'm opening today? Hopefully this is miniature stationery gashpon. I'm trying to do it like mini brands. Okay, maybe other side. Oh, no, I can't pop these. Okay, let's lift them. Is it stationery? Is it hot sauce? Yep. Oh, it is what I think it is. That's good. Right now, I know how silly that sounds, but right now in the filming room, I have 5 bags of these gashpon balls, and they don't have any like logo or label or anything that clues me in on which ones are which. So I thought the mini stationery items came in the blue eggs, but I could have been wrong. This is so interesting. I wonder if the seller who sold me this, like, are they taking the items out of boxes and shoving them into eggs? Like, why do that? I don't know. Oh, this is gonna tell us the item. So I'm not gonna show you guys that. Look at that. Wait, okay, I'm gonna try and be a big girl and tear it. In the other room, I have scissors. In this room, I only have my eyelash scissors, and that sounds disgusting to me. So this actually looks like, oh my God. You guys are gonna scream. These are even more detailed somehow than the last ones. Let me show you guys what we are dealing with. I believe that this is white out. Now, obviously these come from Japan, so all of the labeling, even though you guys might be like me, you recognize the brand Pintel, I can't read any of the other information on here, but to me, it looks like a bottle of whiteout. So there's this, there is our keychain, ball and chain, but look at this. Look, it's like the box. And it's like a plastic. Some assembly is required because we got 2 things. At first I thought it was stickers, and I was like, where would we put a sticker on these? But I think it is like little tape and glue tabs to assemble the box, tape it closed, and then to put the whiteout inside and hold it in place inside the box. I'm gonna tape it right now just for the sake of the video, but I, of course, will show it to you guys all assembled. Look at that though, okay? We're gonna put the whiteout in the little box. I kind of like it all like jostling around in there. So honestly, I would probably never tape the item to the box. Okay, now let me assemble our little ball chain there. You guys, this is beyond adorable. Look at that! Oh my gosh. This is, why do I love stuff like this? Obviously, if you were gonna carry this around, you definitely would want to tape the box closed because it is wanting to leave already. I think that we're gonna get a complete set today of all of the items, but I don't think we're gonna get each colorway of each item. So I will just show you guys this for right now. I kind of don't even want to show you guys the back of this because then it's just gonna give away all the options, but I guess we could have gotten blue or red whiteout. I think I'm gonna take my Shrek ears off, although I hate to, but you guys, headbands, I love headbands, but every headband, doesn't matter if I got it from like the dollar store or it's something like more fancy and expensive, like latex Shrek ears, they always give me a headache. So I like bent it out so that I could wear it more often. But I think it got a little too bent out of shape because now like if I make any sudden movement, as I always do, every minute of my life, they're, you know, gonna fall off. All right, ball number 2. What did we get? Ooh, I literally don't know. This one looks like less assembly is required. There's only the item itself and the ball chain. You guys, I need scissors in every room that I'm in. It's like a hair dryer. I just can't live without hair dryers or scissors. This brand I actually do not recognize. I don't see a logo on it anywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and just assemble it and then show it to you guys. I don't immediately recognize what this is or the brand. I'm gonna assume it's like a pen or a pencil case. I literally don't know. Is that a calculator? You could put something inside of here. Very interesting. Opening it up does not give me any more brandage that I recognize. No, I guess it's a case of some sort. It's not directly clear to me. I guess like colored pencils maybe, but I don't know. Oh geez. We did get, you know what? There's like ultra rare. So maybe that's the option that we're not gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and pause filming really quick and just go ahead and assemble this so you guys can just see the red whiteout all assembled. All right, you guys, here we go. I mean, even the sound it makes in there, why do I like that? I don't know. Red whiteout next to, where'd you go? Ah, blue whiteout. So both very adorable. And I mean, much in the way of mini brands, these just look identical to the real packaging. Everything that you would see on the real packaging, you see on the tiny little packaging. Next, something new. Oh no. It's the same thing again. Well, same thing, different colorway. The pencil box case. Ta-da! So it's like a tomato red color. And it's the same case. I'm sure there's somebody that's more into like art supplies where maybe y'all recognize this or get more excited about it. The more I'm looking, it just kind of looks like a pencil case. I feel like we had things like this, I'm gonna say like in the 90s. I'm sure they still make it now. I just kind of remember that's when they made like Lisa Frank cases like this, where sometimes they would have like a calculator inside or a place to write your name or something. That's kind of what this one looks like it has. I think it says like date on it, and then you would just like, I don't know, fill in assignments or something. 3 eggs left. Hopefully new things and less duplicates is what we're gonna see. I noticed that this is the 4th season. Oh my gosh, I don't know what season the other ones that we got were. But now, can I find like the missing seasons? Oh my gosh, this is maybe the coolest one ever. Once again, 3 pieces in here. I don't think I'm gonna recognize the brand, but I definitely recognize what it is. Oh my God, what is my hair doing? I feel like I look like Tina from Napoleon Dynamite. Okay, okay, you guys brace yourselves. This is so cute, so cute. Okay, so it is a box, and they do say like magic markers on them, which I feel like to some people means dry erase markers, and to some people it means like Sharpies. I don't exactly know what they mean by magic, but look at this, you guys. There's like a little loose pin all with the label and the cap. How cute is that together? So realistic looking, so adorable. I kind of wish more miniature things were keychains. I feel like I say this every single time, but to me, it just makes them like so much more functional when you can just like clip them on a purse, clip them on a backpack, clip them on a little chain and wear it as a necklace. I don't know, it's up to you. Next ball. Ooh, something different once again. We have another 3-piece item. This is once again not a brand I recognize. I'm only saying that because I feel like whatever edition we opened last time, it was like recognizable brands that I think are just more like in the global market versus these, which maybe they are more Japan exclusive brands. At first I thought it was Friction brand, because you guys know I love the Friction stamps, which I feel like are a predominantly Japanese stationery item, because anytime I've ordered them from like websites that are supplying stationery supplies from Japan. If anybody can read what that says, let me know. Let me flip it around, because I also don't know which way is up or down, but it's a stamper, and look at how detailed that is. And then this, I'm assuming, is going to be the little ink pad. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, the ink pad areas, can you imagine if I just turn my finger around, there's ink everywhere? Y'all, I started to get curious because the ink pad sections really do have a different texture to them. Oh my gosh, but look at that. So cute. And this really does, it looks like tin, which is, I'm assuming, like the material that it actually comes in. Some of these like stamper containers, I'm sure you guys know, are plastic. Some of them are tin. Last ball. This is like, feels very heavy in there. What are we? What is this? What? Oh my gosh. This, once again, don't recognize the brand, but it's supposed to be rubber bands. But I'm like, why does this feel so heavy? It's like a mini brand's paper box, but it feels like there's something actually inside of it. I'm like, what on earth? Can you imagine? I just open it up and it's full of tiny little rubber bands. I mean, maybe they just wrapped a plastic box so that it would have more weight to it. It does seem to be completely glued shut. Like this other side, like doesn't even have a clear opening. Like it's just a single piece of cardboard that is made to look like a flap. There's actually a little bit of perforation on the top of the box. So I guess like that's how you dispense this brand of rubber bands, like take a Kleenex. Very, very cute. I think it says O Band Pure Rubber Bands. All right, you guys, let's see if we did indeed get a complete set. We did. I don't know why I thought that there was something else, but there's not. So that is everything. I think I'm gonna go on the quest and see. For things like this, I always try and get it on Amazon Japan first, because I feel like that's the least expensive way that you can get the items plus shipping. I have been able to find a lot of these supposed complete sets on eBay as well, but the shipping is always like so expensive. So that's why I always try and go with like Amazon Japan first. But yeah, I'm gonna look back and see what season it was that we opened, and I'm gonna see if I can find more of these, because oh my god, they're so cute. I love the tiny little stationery things. I honestly don't know which one is my favorite between the stamper or the little magic marker, but I do absolutely love this setup where it's like one item on the outside and then like the item it goes with as a bigger piece. I love like just, I don't know, the dimension, the texture of the multiple items. I love it all. And it definitely helps that obviously it's like stationery type items, because you guys know I'm just obsessed with that anyway. Which item was you guys' favorite today? Which keychain would you use? If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!